How hard is it now versus 6 months ago? I would say it's definitely harder than 6 months ago. It's still very, very easy compared to everything out there. Like, the people that call Etsy hard and shit like this, they're idiots, basically. Because if you go out there and you do Facebook dropshipping, you're going to run into the same bans. You're going to run into payment processing holds, which are actually a lot better with Etsy, a lot more fair with Etsy, now that they changed them. They were fucked like 3-4 months ago, but now they're actually good and they've changed them. But you're in a very good position, and Etsy is still incredibly easy. It's definitely a lot harder than 6 months ago, and in 6 months' time, it'll be harder. Or in 3 years' time, it'll be harder. 10 years' time, it'll be harder. But it doesn't really matter, right? Like, you just make money and fucking start. There's something like, what is it? It's called like, the best time to plant a tree was like fucking 20 years ago. The second best time is now, you know? Like, you just have to start now and just accept that it's harder than it was before. It's the same thing as, I don't know. It's the same thing as if I was working out from the age of 18, I'd be dench right now. But I'm not dench right now because I wasn't working out from the age of 18, right? I was in the fucking office grinding, you know? So you've got to bear that in mind and just fucking start and just push fucking hard. Because at the end of the day, does not matter. It does not matter at all if you work hard. Quick interruption to this video, I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.